you know, for me, it's about the idea here and not so much about the implementation as long as it works. I guess I will tweak it later. Well, anyway, this is React to attack and this is React to C. React to C checks if the command groups of, or not command groups, but the groups, which is kind of like a faction or arrays or whatever you want to call it, are unequal or zero, or not zero, and not zero. Oh gosh. And if they are, attack it, which means 0 is kind of my freelance group. You can take any other number you want. It's my default group, and if a ship is not in a group, it's kind of like a freelance ship, and you don't care so much. So if it is in a different command group, or I call it command group, but it's really a group. I have command groups which basically groups ships together that have the same active command so they can organize, but I did not implement it yet. Anyway, so it just adds this command string, which is Lua, attack, and CID, where CID is the ID of the ship you see, and this is when you are attacked. Well, it speaks for itself. It's basically the same thing, except you don't attack if you are of the same group ID. So this is only executed if the group IDs are not equal. So next is the attack.lua script. This looks kind of strange at first, I guess, so I'll explain it. I have a fight module and the AI module. The AI module is the AI module cares about making decisions and executing the atomic commands, and the fight module basically is just a set of triggers. It's kind of a state-driven agent. So I set its target to the target ID, I activate attack, and I say chase the target. That's pretty much it. And then I say it's initialized, and the termination response is 1. 1 means no termination, 2 means success, 3 means abort. And that's all to it, because then it changes control to set target, activate attack, and chase. So when I should usually put deactivate attack and stuff at the end, whatever. React attack is not implemented because I'm just kind of demoing the system. React command is not implemented. I should technically implement it because this would throw an error if it was called in the attack command state. And attack React C is implemented but doesn't do anything. So I terminate if the target is dead. 2 means success. That's all for the script part, basically. Root command resets the state by deactivating attack and stuff, and adds Lua standby again if it is done. So I will execute it and demo this, just so you see what I mean. For every ship here, whoa, my frame rate. For every ship you can see its command tree, which is kind of straightforward because I don't have any complex composites commands. So, alright, so these ships saw each other and are in different groups. I kind of illustrated this here with having differently looking ships. This ship is in group 0, so it does not care at all. Also, these ships didn't care about it. Alright, so they attack each other. They will probably die quite soon. And I guess he saw it as well. Okay, it died, so they just changed back to normal. I can, because it's so funny, add in a ship. You saw it was having a wait command and it only other command is to chase me. This was hard-coded, so I don't have to use Lua command. I can sort of script things if I just want to have them. The collision is kind of now because I don't know why really. Okay, I'll add another ship and then I'll be done with this. Here goes. Woohoo! It waits, and now it chases me. It does not care because all atomic commands do not implement their own event handling. They just redirect to the next level or to their parent command. So the Lua command, which is meant to do the decisions, will actually make the decision of what to make. Alright, so die. That's it for this part. Alright.